Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. AirPlay is an Apple exclusive service that lets you share and mirror various contents from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to other device. To enable this feature, go to Settings. Navigate to General and tap on AirPlay and Handoff. Then make sure that Automatically AirPlay to TV is set to automatic so that your iPhone can instantly discover nearby AirPlay-compatible devices. Before you retry creating an AirPlay connection, there are a few things to remember to avoid any connectivity issues. Firstly, both your iPhone and the device you're trying to connect to must be on the same Wi-Fi network and within each other's range. It is also necessary to confirm that your device is AirPlay compatible. For your information, it supports Apple TV HomePod speakers and other televisions from well-known brands like LG, Sony, Samsung, and more. If your device isn't listed, check the user manual or contact the manufacturer to see if it supports AirPlay. You can also try to force restart your device. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. While you force restart your iPhone, make sure to do the same to the other device to reboot its system as well, thus removing any potential issues on both ends. Sometimes connectivity issues arise due to outdated system functions. In that case, regularly keep your device updated to prevent these glitches. To update to the latest iOS version, go to Settings. Select General and tap on Software Update. Download and install the update if it is available. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.